Hi everyone and welcome to Innovark AI. Today I'm going to be showing you a demo of a medical practice chatbot that we've built. It's a dermatologist demo chatbot that has been built. We picked a random business who is not a client of us, and I'm going to show you what can be done with medical chatbots. So the first big feature, of course, you're always going to have your welcome message. So the way we set up this one, we have a warm welcoming message. We explain where the location of the medical practice is, and then we drop all the operating hours so there's no issues. The first big feature is always going to be the FAQs. Where are you located and what are your operating hours? So it's already the welcome message, but just to show you that this can be asked at any time. How do I get there from the Perth Central Station? Walking, 15-20 minutes walk, public transport, buses. I have a toddler with a nasty rash and spots on his back. I'm quite worried as it won't for days. So the chatbot can also qualify and ask follow-up questions whenever people seem to have concern or are facing any medical issues. I understand your concern about toddler rash and spot. Could you share a bit more about the rash? When did it appear? It started about 3 days ago. He has lots of little red spots on his back, no fever. So with this chatbot, we've leveraged the vision features of OpenAI LLM, and we created a skin scanner tool. So I'm going to show you how this works. Thank you for providing more details about the toddler rash. Since it started about 3 days ago and consists of little red spots without fever or itching, it could be related to several conditions. Okay, to help you further, we offer to use the skin scanner tool. Would you like to use it? Yes. Okay, so this is the skin scanner tool. Nice Mr. Bean GIF. Obviously, this can be customized to your liking. Skin scanner tool, of course, the disclaimer. This tool is designed to help users quickly identify potential skin conditions, but it does not replace professional medical advice or formal diagnosis by a healthcare provider for any concerning or severe condition, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. That's a disclaimer. Please use the attachment feature below. So I'm gonna attach, actually that's not the one. I have an image of a baby with a skin rash. And now the vision features of OpenAI, the LLM capabilities. It's gonna analyze the picture and it's gonna determine it's been trained on different various conditions. And so it's recognizing that it's baby acne. Based on the image provided, it appears to be that your child might be experiencing mild acne, commonly referred to as baby acne or infantile acne. So it's giving a few tips on understanding what this is, the appearance, the cause, the progression, the recommended treatment. So this has been trained with our random data, some data found on the website, on the practice we found, but this can obviously be trained to reply the way you want it. So very powerful. As you can see, it's explaining the cause. It's providing like a couple of recommended treatments, the next steps, monitoring, consider scheduling an appointment at the Subideum for professional advice, skincare routine, consultation. Schedule a consultation at Subiderm for a thorough evaluation if needed. We get a CTA button, would you like to book an appointment? And it's dynamically updating with the name of the issue, with the issue that the vision system has identified. So very powerful. People can just click on the button and it's going to trigger the appointment flow. Very powerful. I'm going to show you that you can also, the user can request to see all your services. Which kind of services do you provide? So yeah, my team had fun, obviously. Here are all the services we offer to our so medical, pediatric, laser. So here we have a nice carousel. We can load it up with all your services, relevant images, had like buttons and CTAs. It's quite powerful. What is the cause of so it can be trained with any kind of general medical knowledge. It can be trained to reply the way you want, to provide like medical advice. Psoriasis, genetics, immune system. Nice feature. I want to book an appointment. Boom, it starts the appointment flow. So here, this is the appointment flow, and it's gonna ask a bunch of questions: full name, address, phone number, so we can gather all the patient details. So there's a lot that can be done. These are some of the basic features. If you have an international practice, we can set up the chatbot to provide various different languages for the patients. So all the buttons are going to be updated. All these buttons that you see, they're all going to be updated dynamically into the language of the user. The chatbot can detect any kind of language and provide text answers in any kind of language. We can set up appointment reminders, appointment canceling, or appointment change functions as well. This is definitely doable. We can connect everything to your CRM or your booking system, provided that there is an API we can work with. We have a lot of different features that are requested by the medical practices we're working with. We can offer automated follow-ups, patient follow-ups as well. We can provide like a portal where they just have to put their email address. It's going to be connected to your database, client database. Then you know that this is a client, and you can have some data related to their appointment, previous appointments. We tap into the memory of the chatbot to dig into the previous interactions. There's a lot that can be done. We can set up flows to automate review generation. We can have follow-ups with the patients to request reviews. There's a lot that can be done. So yeah, that's it for the quick demo and the quick tour of the medical chatbot and the dermatologist demo. I hope you like the presentation. If you're interested, if you're a medical practice and you're interested in getting a chatbot like this designed for your practice, just use the link in the description and contact us to request a demo or for a chat. We offer free consultations, no strings attached. Have a nice day. Bye.